Hello guys, we are in the comfort room in McDonald's, Tacloban City. Today we're gonna rate the McDonald's 1 to 10 after we eat.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Ikaw lang ingon.
Nabot sa dagat. Ibantay lagi yung mga sakyanan lagi kay madalagi sa Matrix.
Nabot na nun sa dagat.
Nabot na sa dagat, nakuha sa Matrix. Kaya.
Brother na ang sakinan.
What do you say, Day?
Serrano Street.
We're here, guys.
Arrived to our destination.
Our destination.
Zipad Residences. Kita.
We are here
Damn.
at our hotel. Meron siya fun.
Like sila design.
Mo,
Super vintage.
super vintage.
Vintage nga rich.
Naraw na si Jamo! Eliza, you're part of our vlog now. Yeah.
Hindi ka pwede masunod, sir. You're trash.
Choice song around Yes, tita. Hi, tito. We're gonna get Kendrick's ID.
Hindi ko magsaba nga. Grade 10 pa to ko. ID. Wala ID.
Kasi kung sa long ID, basta naay mo pangan.
Tara.
Let's go.
Piliw na ko sila.
Let's go, let's go.
Picture na lang. One by one.
Say hi to the vlog, Pops. What do you think, Kendrick?
9 out of 10.
What do you think of the rooms? So guys, we're now here on the 3rd floor, chilling. This is a good style. Good Kita na sa athletics, sorry. So guys, nagpahena kami.
Go.
We have Paris, we have SEA Games, and Bulaklak Games. Among mga tattoo artists, Kanisari si Eliza and Kendrick Lamar. Let's do this. Do this, man. We're gonna live in the 3rd floor. Lomong is our neighbor. We are happy. We're very happy that we live on the 3rd floor. Because it's very nice.
So we're going to park car right there. From here to there. Because it's so hot and nothing. Hello? Are you parking the car? Damn. Super fresh. Oh, is that Zari? Park finish. What can you say?
It's a 10 out of 10. Love this hotel. Jomong is our neighbor. Love it. I'm L Street. Here we go. So we got into our room. This is our room.
Comfort room chair.
Sheesh! Angas, angas.
Damn.
This is the men's room. No women's allowed. No women's
Hoy,
allowed.
madakol ka.
Yes sir, go! Go! Yeah! Amo ni room, guys. So Tara, nag-vlog na mi. What's up?
Hi, guys.
So guys, this is Ashley, ang swimmer ng Ebra, among athlete. Kamera ni Kendrick ang athletics nakakuan sa Ebra. Kamera nakakuan kanang hotel. Puros na mga swimmer. Camera athletics ni Kendrick.
A few moments later.
Uy, nanatigbantay. Nara, sir.
Salamat.
Post sa YouTube na ako. O, apple po ka. Piso lang ako katago ni mo. Ko ang transformer ba? Carbo Transmutes. Optimum Pride nga budget. Unsay pangalan niya? Deformatron? Deformatryon. Grabe pangan. Nana, round 1 boxing. Warm up. Oh. MMA.
So guys, for today kay magpasingot mi ngadto mi sa Leyte Sports Academy Center Complex. Tawag na.
Yes, sir.
Munduay na mi guys.
Meanwhile.
So guys, mag-walking namin guys padong sa mo venue. Demotating namin kadali. Singot.
400 meters to go.
Yes sir.
Pwede mo teleport.
Okay guys, quick update. Lagyo pagyapon mi.
We have 350 meters to go
Yes sir.
before entering the Leyte Sports Academy
Complex.
Complex Academy Center University.
Damo rin taga-ama rin. I'm from Ama, you know? Ormoc lang.
Uy, ama maday ka, Tacloban.
Taga-ama ko karon guys. I'm from Ama, ACL. So guys, we're now here at the oval track with the Kaiser. This is the other part of the vlog. Okay, last time na akong vlog was my freaking what do you call this? The for SEA Games. Now this is Evra. We got the Kendrick Lamar.
We're posting YouTube channel.
Yes sir.
Si Jaggy,
Let's go. We're gonna jog. Man.
Nare ka anak ko.
Let's go do this. Let's do this.
Paniro to palaro.
Road to Palaro.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, di ba namin sa jogging. We already finished eating dinner. And then we're back here at the hotel. Got dressed. Got our gear ready to go. But we're gonna head back to the school for practice. Yeah! Okay guys, that brings the end of our episode 1 dito sa Tacloban, Evra. Then ugma is our parade. Pero mag-jogging pa sa buntag. So see you guys tomorrow and peace!